Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Today I am going to show you creating fluid abstract background in Adobe Illustrator. Start tool. Click on artboard. Radius 1 25 pixel, radius 2 50 pixel, points 35, outline color none, gradient panel control F9, left side gradient slider color R237 G30 B121. Add gradient slider. Color R121 G20 B90. Again add gradient slider. Color R158 G0 B93. Right side gradient slider color R147 G39 B143. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Select both shapes and blend options. Spacing, specified steps and red. Again go to object menu and blend and make. Alt Ctrl B. Pen tool, shortcut P. Draw a line using with pen tool. Select both shapes and go to object menu and blend and replace spine. Use direct selection tool to select object shape. Increase size of the shape. Rotate shape. Draw a rectangle shape. Select shape and arrange and send to back. Shift Control open square bracket. Select shape and copy. Control C. Paste in front. Control F. Transparency. Shift Control F10. Overlay. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shape, Ctrl A. Right click and make clipping mask, Ctrl 7. Finally, your fluid abstract background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create fluid abstract background in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.